How to fix Resident Evil Requiem audio desync issue, audio delay and audio lag on PC. So what you need to do is get over to your desktop, right click on your start app and then click on device manager. Here you need to find audio inputs and outputs and then select your speakers, right click on it, click on disable device and then re-enable it. After doing this, hopefully your problem solves, and yes, this is how you can do it. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.